What the? Thanks for coming back to my channel. And today I'm going to be using the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Healing Clay Deep Pore. First, I'm going to be using this as a cleanser to clean my face. After I've been using like makeup and everything, so this is a good face cleanser. I use this with apple cider vinegar. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was $15. But I got the bigger one. This lasts a long time and it does a good job on cleaning my skin. But before I use that, I'm going to be using Albolene to take off the makeup but before we get into the video, I'd love for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can be updated on the videos that I do post. If you have any questions or about the items that I'm using today, leave it down in the comment box, and I will leave information about this product and this product in the description box so you guys can probably purchase these yourself if you want to. But I love the Albolene because after I take off makeup, my skin be so dry. But the Albolene moisturizing cleanser for younger looking skin. The makeup comes off when you use it and the moisture stays in, so it takes off all the makeup. I love it because it does a good job. It takes off my lashes because the lashes is not going anywhere. I could probably have the lashes on for tomorrow because the glue that I use is from Kiss, but we're gonna talk about that another time. And the way that you use this, it says, let me find the directions. Oh, that's in a different form. It say mix healing clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and water. So I do have my apple cider vinegar in this container, and it says mix it with water, but I just freestyle. I just pull how much I need, and then after that I just add a little bitty water to even it out a little bit. So I'm about to mix it inside with the healing clay, and it says after you do that, apply a thin layer all over your face. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you feel a pulling and tightening sensation, and if you feel your face is pulsating, remove the clay by washing it with warm water. This is what I do. I wash it with warm water, and after I wash it with warm water, I go back in with cool water because I feel like much heat on your face. Like I feel like your pores open up more. I'm not trying strong. I feel like your pores open up more when you put heat to your face, and then when you put cool water to your face, your pores close. They close back up, so nothing can get back into your skin after you wash it. So let's get right into the video. I'm about to use the Albolene first to take off my makeup. Let me show you guys what it does. So I take a napkin, then I put the Albolene. First I do my eyes. I put Albolene by my eyes and I sort of rub with the Albolene and the wipes. I'm gently rubbing, guys. I'm not rubbing too hard. But I'm gently rubbing the Albolene across my eyelid. I feel like the Albolene is like a magnet, the way that it takes off the makeup. Like it, look at that. And then I gently pull the lash off. Look how easy my lash came off. And I'm gonna put my lash back in my container. Now my these are the Dell Wispy lashes. I love them so much because they're not heavy on my eyes and they feel very light. I'm gonna have to clean those later, but let me do the other side the same way. You see that? I'm gonna do the other side do the comparison. And then I'm gonna get some more Albolene, and I'm gonna put it all over my face. Look, it's already coming off. The Albolene to me is like my seal water because it just takes everything off. I mean, it just good. I love it. Oh, I love it. Another wipe, do the same thing. I love the wipes because it helps. Instead of using like a rag, I feel like the rag is too rough for my skin, so the wipes are really soft and gentle. So now I'm finna do my lips. Love Albolene. What the? Okay, I'm gonna look at that sizzle. I used the one that says Mother. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. I actually use this for my hair as well when I want to wash my hair and get like a treatment. Like, I don't even use shampoo or conditioner. I just put this in my hair. My hair becomes very nice and shiny. I don't even use conditioner because it moisturizes my hair so well. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna put it on my skin. Right now around this area is tightening up, but I'm gonna set my timer for, how long is that? Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. So let me set my timer for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll be back. So it passed 5 minutes and it's kind of hard for me to talk because, as you can see, it's dry. but if I move, it starts cracking. So it's dry. Now I'm gonna wash it off with warm water, and I am gonna use, first I'm gonna use my hand, and then I'm gonna use the microfiber rag. This microfiber rag to help take off the mask. So now I got like half of it off. I'm about to use my microfiber rag. Take my Mia, and I'm just go over my face with some warm water as well. Again, nothing on it, just And now I'm about to use some cool water on my face. My rag is already clean. I'm gonna pat my face with the cool water. Close up my pores. I'm trying to let it sit on my face for a few minutes. At least a few minutes. It feels so refreshing. Like my skin feels so clean. Like after that Aztec clay, my skin feels very clean. Things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. And there you have it, guys. A nice, fresh, clean face. After makeup, I'm not gonna put any type of moisturizer or anything on my skin because it is bedtime, so it is nighttime, so I'm gonna just let my skin do its own thing. I don't want to put any type of oil on it or moisturization because I'm gonna sleep it off anyway. So this is how it looks. My skin feels so clean, like after that wash and the Aztec clay and the Albolene. Like the Albolene helps keep my moisture in my skin. I love the Aztec clay. It's very good for my skin. Like every time I wear makeup, I try to at least do the Aztec wash and put nothing else on my skin after that. And I just sleep, and like I would say the next day, like when I did use the Aztec clay before, the next day my skin it wasn't oily, but it was oily, like in my T-zone area, like maybe because I sweated at night. But other than that, I love how it made my skin feel. My skin feels so nice and soft and smooth, and after I put the cool water on it, it just feels so fresh and clean. Like Aztec clay is the way to go, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or anything, I will be sure to answer them down in the comment section. Make sure you're following me on my hair page. And good night. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.